Lockout, Tagout, Energy Control. Welcome to the Electricity Forum Training Institute, or EFTI, a trusted leader in electrical training for the North American power industry. Since 1986, we've trained more than 60,000 electrical professionals to work safer, smarter, and in compliance with today's complex North American electrical safety codes and standards. This live 6-hour course teaches OSHA lockout tagout procedures that control hazardous energy, ensuring equipment is maintained and serviced under the safest possible conditions. What you'll learn. Students will learn how to identify the types of hazardous energy, apply OSHA-compliant lockout tagout steps, follow safe restart guidelines, and apply LOTO procedures through workplace scenarios that reflect real-world risks. We deliver expert lockout tagout instruction, scenario-based exercises, and group discussion. Students walk away with compliance-focused strategies they can immediately apply in their facilities. This course is designed for electrical maintenance personnel, plant electricians, and safety officers. Electrical engineers, contractors, and anyone responsible for ensuring safe equipment servicing. This course comes with an OSHA Lockout Tagout Training Certificate, 0.6 CEU credits, 6 professional development hours, 100-page electrical safety handbook, and a $50 coupon toward future EFTI training. Protect your workforce with proven safety practices. Register today for EFTI's Lockout Tagout training and ensure your team controls hazardous energy the right way.